This video shows you how to navigate the DevExpress Blazor Report Viewer using your keyboard. The Report Viewer has three key areas: the toolbar, the document area, and the tab panel. Press Tab to move between them. The toolbar is selected first. In the toolbar, use the left and right arrows to move between items. Press Enter to select an editor. To open a drop-down or menu, press Enter to activate it, then press Alt-Down. In a combo box, use the up and down arrows to choose a value. Press Escape to close the combo box. You can also print or export a report with the keyboard. Use the Print button to open the print page, or press Alt-Down or Enter on the Export To button to pick an export format. Let's look at the tab panel. It has tabs like Preview Parameters, Export Options, and Search. The number of tabs depends on the report. If it includes bookmarks, the Document Map tab appears. You might also see custom buttons for additional panels. When the tab panel is active, use the arrow keys to select the parameters icon and press Enter to open it. Use Tab and Shift-Tab to move between the inputs. Press Enter or Space to activate an input. Let's try opening the Date Range Picker. Press Alt-Down, use the arrow keys to pick a start date, press Enter, then pick an end date and press Enter again. Let's set the range from February 1st, 2022 to September 30th, 2022. Press Tab to move to the next parameter. Press Alt-Down to open a drop-down. Use the arrows to select a value. I'll choose Brayburn, then press Enter. Tab again to reach the Submit button and press Enter to send the updated values. To use the search feature, press Tab to focus on the search icon, then press Enter to open it. Tab again to go to the search input. Type Pending to find results. Press Tab to switch between editors and use the arrows to highlight matches in the report. To focus on the results panel, press Tab, use the arrows to pick one, and press Enter to highlight it. The focus stays in the search panel. Press Shift-Tab to go back and press Delete to clear the search when the input is selected. To check export options, press Shift-Tab to go back to the toolbar. Select Export Options and press Enter. If a list is collapsed, press Alt-Right to expand it. Use Tab to go through the settings. Use Enter, Tab, arrow keys, and Alt-Down as needed. Let's collapse the tab panel and take a look at the document area. Press Shift plus Tab to get there. When selected, use the arrow keys to flip through pages. Hold Ctrl while scrolling to skip to the first or last page. Use Ctrl plus equals or Ctrl plus minus to zoom and Ctrl 0 to reset to fit to page. Press Enter to activate Document Read Mode. Use the arrows to move between page blocks. If the report is interactive, go to the Details block and press Enter to open the first item. Press Shift-Tab to go to the breadcrumbs and press Enter to return to the main view. To exit Document Read Mode, press Tab. This will return focus to the tab panel. And that's it. We hope this helps make keyboard navigation easier and faster for you.